Hey, what is up guys, this is FNH here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Razer BlackWidow Lite TKL mechanical keyboard. Okay, so I recently bought this a few weeks ago on, I believe it was Amazon, right? It was around like $90, right? I needed a keyboard, so I went and looked at this. And overall, I think it's pretty good. So let me just do a quick unboxing and show you guys. So this is the box that it comes in. Just, you know, some overview about the keyboard itself. Pretty nice box. Then you have the typical brown Razer boxes that they have. You know, they do this with their laptops and everything. Just a plain brown box inside. Alright, so this is where the meat of the product is. So on top you see a little pouch with just some booklets in it, which is pretty nice. This is just a plastic cover, and this is the keyboard. Okay, and what else is left? So the other thing is the wire. So let's take that out. And last but not least, you have some O-rings and a key remover. Okay, so if you want to add extra silence to it, you could using this. So, okay, let's pull up that. So off the bat, it's a pretty nice looking keyboard. You know, very minimalistic, definitely mechanical, but not low profile. So you can pretty much see the orange switches on the bottom. So this is tactile and silent, right? Or so they claim, right? But yeah, so overall I've been using this keyboard for a few weeks now. There's a few things that I like about it and a few things that I don't. The first main thing I don't like is that it has a micro USB cable, right? Although it is pretty cool since it's green, it has the Razer color in it. I do think that it should probably be using USB-C, or, you know, it's really kind of, you know, micro USB is kind of like, I guess, outdated now. So I really believe that they should be using a USB Type-C or something. But other than that, the cable is pretty good. It's threaded. It's pretty long. It's I guess good enough, and, you know, definitely sturdy. So this is the actual keyboard. It comes with these feet to make it angled, right? Overall is plastic. Okay, you can definitely feel it, and, you know, it has the Razer logo, but it doesn't have the, you know, the snake logo that they usually put everywhere. So this is kind of like minimalistic and, you know, pretty nice. So it is advertised as an office keyboard, not really for gaming or anything, just more of like an everyday keyboard. Okay, so that's why they do claim that it's more silent, right? Using the orange switches. All right, so let's just show the typing experience. So it is definitely more silent than some of the other keyboards, you know, especially like the clicky ones, but it is still pretty loud. Like, and, you know, you definitely will be hearing it. You know, if you have this in the office, you definitely might get a complaint from someone saying that it's really loud, okay, especially if you type fast. Okay, so let me plug it in and show you the colors or the lightings. This is not RGB. Okay, so it's not going to be coloring or changing colors or anything, and this is only wired. Okay, so this is not a wireless version. So the lighting that I actually like about this keyboard, the lighting is really nice in my opinion. So let me just bring this a little closer to you guys and you can see. So one thing is the keys, they themselves light up, and then there's a, you know, a soft glow in the back of the keys. So like, for example, you can see these, and then there's a glow around it, which, you know, I think looks really nice. Makes it look really, like, you know, soothing, calm, nice. Definitely something well built. Okay, So the typing experience is really nice. Definitely, I wouldn't really recommend this if you're using it for the office, or you know, you work close by people where you might get a complaint if you're typing fast and it gets pretty loud. So let me just unplug this and show you what noise it will be if you were typing pretty quick. So yeah, it's if you're typing fast, it will. If you're not typing that fast, it might be fine. So it's really depending on you, but overall this keyboard is pretty nice, especially for the price point. This was recently on sale for, I think it was like $60 or something, so if you picked one up then, I think it was pretty good. But regular price is around $90. I know this is a little older, but it's still definitely good in the sense of build, and the lighting I think is perfect on this. It's probably even better than one of the other keyboards that I have, the Logitech G915 TKL, which I did do a review on that. Go check that out as well if you're interested. But overall, nice keyboard. Definitely recommend it. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.